Good day everyone. My name is Joy M. Fernandez from BS Ed Mathematics 2A, and I will continue the discussion about the annuity due and the perpetuity. Lately, we discussed about the present value of annuity due and the present value of perpetuity. So let's continue our discussion. So, the future value of annuity due. When we say the future value of annuity due is used to predict the future value of a series of payments where the payment is made immediately at the beginning of the payment period. The payment at the beginning period is the main difference between the annuity due and the ordinary annuity. When it comes in calculating the future value of annuity due, we need to follow the formula wherein FV or the future value is equals to C. C stands for our cash flows per period multiplied by 1 plus R. RR means our stance is the interest rate with the power of n, and our n is represent the number of payments minus 1 over the r or the interest rate. Then multiply it by 1 plus and the interest rate. We really need to follow the formula so that we can able to solve the future value of annuity due or the future value of a certain scenario. So let's proceed with our discussion wherein I will provide an example of scenario wherein we need to use the formula of the future value of annuity. So let's proceed with our problem when it comes in calculating the future value of annuity due. So the problem is current deposits 100 pesos each month into an annuity that pays 6% interest at the end of each year. How much money will she have in this account at the end of 5 years? So first, we need to identify what is the given. So let's write the given. C, our interest rate, and of course, our number of payments. So our cash of payments here is 100 pesos. But notice this problem because 100 pesos each month. So we need to multiply this 100 pesos into 12 months. So it will become 1,200 pesos. So let's write it here. 1,200 pesos. And our interest rate is 6%. 6%, but we need to convert it into decimal point, so it will become 0.06. And of course, the number of payments is 5 years. By following the formula, first we need to write the formula of the future value of annuity due, where future value is equals to C multiply by the 1 plus the interest rate with the power of the n minus 1 over r times 1 plus the interest rate. So let's plug in the given. C is our 1,200 . We can direct it by adding this 1 plus interest rate. It will become 1.06, and our n is 5. So 5, put it here 5. Then minus 1 over the interest rate. Our interest rate is 0.06. Then multiply by it 1.06 because we just simply add these two, because 1 plus 0.06, it will become 1.06. So let's calculate it by using the calculator. You need to plug in this kind of scenario by using this scientific calculator. So here is our calculator, scientific calculator. We need to calculate this future value of annuity due with a given scenario. So first is we need to input the 1,200 times, of course, the parentheses, then fraction, then put the 1 plus the 0.06, then the power of 5 or the number of payments, minus 1 over the interest rate is 0.06. Then close parenthesis, multiply by it 1.06. So our answer is 7,170.38 pesos. We're in 7,170.38 pesos. So this is the total value when it comes in solving a real life scenario wherein this is the total money of Karen will have in this account in each at the end of 5 years. So let's move on to our next topic, wherein the future value of perpetuity. When we say the future value of perpetuity, it is cannot be calculated. Means hindi mo siya pwede agad-agad na ma-predict kung ilan ba yung pera mo or may mga formula ba dapat na gamitin. The perpetuity is, of course, by its definition, is represent a stream of cash flows that continues forever. Meaning, there is no defined future date to calculate its value. Therefore, the future value is considered is undefined. So that's all for my part. Thank you. My name again is Mary Joy M. Fernandez from BS Ed Mathematics 2A.